Meanwhile, the Hspdp has also started its preparation for the upcoming MDC election in Khasi and Jaintia Hills district. Party President KP Pangyang said that the CEC of the party has already instructed its unit to submit the names of the candidates. As far as JHADC election is concerned, he admitted that it does not have a strong presence in all the constituencies of the Jaintia Hills, but there are at least 6 constituencies in which the party has a strong presence and it would contest election.
Jaintia Hills mutakiran hadu belum well organized on san hadu liki constituency marba ni tu people ka Jaintia Hills labor shikatu ni kam yoshu ban access ka party lagi hakani ka snam gula tap so when ban itu party ka lagi ban room ya ka organization hapo Jaintia Hills haru ka kubor shaki babun constituency jongka Hspdp और कुंजू जो के जाइंटी हिल अतन मॉस्ट्री काउंसिल बाकी लोग की बदन के चिंटू वन बने लेगा इलेक्शन ते इटू की बदन रुपा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है तो सुसी की जाए लंबा चौकी ब्रेंग प्ली लोग ने ती बाकी लावन वन शायद सेंट्रल इलेक्शन कमिटी
Taxi driver